At Bitcoin Market Journal, we're improving investing. We combine traditional investing strategies with crypto investing strategies, which today seems radical, but in the future will just be the way that things are done. And our approach is simple. We make monthly contributions into a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and up to 10% quality crypto assets. And we do this with the patience of the gods, holding on to them for 5 or more years. This approach has blown away traditional investors who stay away from crypto. We call them the non-believers, the poor non-believers. We have a great team of researchers and analysts who spent 5 years unpacking why this works, creating hundreds of articles, research reports, and investor scorecards. You can read all that, or you can watch all this. Today, the final video in our series, Taking the Long View. Crypto investing is just one part of long-term financial freedom. So here are some simple tips that you can use to manage your money well. First, get rid of high interest debt. If you're carrying credit card or student loan debt, pay that off first, because the odds are the interest that you're paying on that debt is outweighing any profits that you might make from investing. Get rid of it. Next, live within your means. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either decrease your expenses by making a monthly budget and sticking to it, or you can increase your income by getting a new job or asking for a raise or getting a side hustle. Ideally, you can do both. Decrease your expenses, increase your income, and invest the rest. Knowledge pays the best interest. Ben Franklin said it best, and we put him on the $100 bill. An investment in your own knowledge and your own learning, like the kind you're doing here, will stand the test of time. It can also increase your earning potential by helping you get a new job, a better job. The best investment is in yourself. Most investments are beyond our control. No one can predict the price of Bitcoin. No one. But an investment in yourself, whether that's through improving your education, starting a business, or taking a leap into a new career, that is within your control. And that makes you the best investment of all. And finally, why do we do all this? Well, our tagline is our philosophy: health, wealth, and happiness. Money doesn't mean happiness. You've got to define what happiness looks like for you and let money serve that goal, not the other way around. For most people, meaningful work and meaningful relationships are a really good starting point for long-term happiness. Thanks for watching this quick video series on our investing approach. For much more, I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our newsletter at bitcoinmarketjournal.com. I'm John Hargrave. On behalf of the Bitcoin Market Journal team, we wish you health, wealth, and happiness.